Hey guys, here's the wrap-up video for this week's makeup tray. So let's start off with the Bye Bye Foundation Moisturizer. These are nice, a little bit less oil control than the CC Cream by Cosmetics. So of the two, I think I prefer the CC Cream, but this is a really nice moisturizer if you're looking for full coverage. Next up, the Covergirl Flourish was okay, not my favorite. These peach blushes are beautiful, but a little on the crumbly side. The Paradise Enchanted palette I have a dedicated video for, so check that out. These lashes that were recommended by Puffin's Wife are beautiful. I have a dedicated swatch video of these Covergirl holographic glosses if you want to see those. These Hourglass Ambient lighting powders are beautiful. They give you this nice glow to the skin as a final step. This is a nice balm from Physicians Formula, not blown away, but nice. I will have swatch video up for these LA Splash Hydro Shadows soon, and these Crayola shadows, while the colors are beautiful, it required 3 layers to have opaque color, and that smudged so easily, so not the best in my opinion. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.